All right, what are we doing?
He will be pleading no contest in case 0150 and 013. The basis of the plea is due to intoxication.
And the other cases dismissed. All right, very good. And Mr. Dorsman sworn.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do. Jacob John Dorson.
Go up in your mouth.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty or pleading no contest to 2 charges. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In the case ending in 150, you are going to be pleading to the charge of trespassing. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 30 days incarceration and a $100 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the case ending in 130, you're also pleading to the charge of trespassing. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to, that's under the township ordinance. Yes, 30 days, $100 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. 2 things about it I have to make sure that you understand is that, first of all, it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest those charges. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court is going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, and we have do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge of trespassing as contained in case 150, how do you plead?
No contest.
That same charge as contained in the case ending in 130, how do you?
No contest.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form.
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you on probation or parole?
No. I'm on.
Anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
Court has been provided in the case ending in 130. Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case 262642. And in the other matter, in 150, Pittsfield Township Department of Public for their case 261633. Any objection to the court reviewing those reports?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, I do have to advise, upon a review of those reports, the court does find that there's factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these offenses. Sir, I do have.
Now this is interesting. The judge is slowing things down instead of rushing to sentencing. That usually signals one thing: they want more insight before making a final call. A pre-sentence investigation can dig into behavior patterns, substance use, and risk level. Translation: the final outcome is still very much up in the air. So ask yourself, does this help the defendant or expose more problems?
That you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence or recommendation evaluations. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to these charges. The other matter cases ending in 2137 and 129. Those matters are dismissed pursuant to plea agreement. I guess what I was concerned about. And maybe counsel can help me, because is this a reoccurring issue?
Your Honor, he has a sentencing scheduled before Judge Perry, I believe, on the 24th, Your Honor. So that he is, I believe, anticipating probation,
Yes.
so that his alcohol consumption and his behavior will be monitored by, I believe, Judge Perry.
Okay, and these offenses, I got it. Okay,
I'm not aware of any further offenses after these cases.
gotcha.
They have me on a tether, released on a home confinement tether right now.
Right now,
Yes.
He
okay,
indicates that he's served approximately 12 days,
About 15 days.
15 days in custody.
on these cases.
Yes.
When is the sentencing before Judge Perry?
My sentencing's on the 24th of this month.
I think what I'm going to do, and normally I may not do that in these cases, but I think I want to have us take a look.
And just like that, we're into a completely separate defendant, but notice the pattern. Same type of plea, similar charges, but the stakes just got higher. Operating while intoxicated, especially a second offense, can carry serious consequences. Now the question becomes, will the court treat this as a wake-up call or a repeat problem that needs stronger punishment?
Right.
Thanks.
State your name when you get up here, Ahmed.
Ahmed Issa.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, this matter we're requesting for a preliminary examination, please.
All discoveries complete.
Yes.
We'll have the witnesses available to 28.
Your Honor, you know,
No, go ahead, sir.
you know, that's a terrible day for me, but I'll make, I'll make.
I
it
don't
work.
care.
I want my
I work. That's okay. No, go.
expediency is important for him for a couple of reasons. Let's just keep it there. Let's do the 12.
Will that work?
I'll make it up.
You will. All right.
No,
You want a different date, Mr. Simon? I mean,
I did, but the next available is the 5th. My client's going on his honeymoon on May 6th, which we're going to ask for permission to leave
Nope.
before. But we hope
It's not doing it.
we hope
No, you're
reach
gonna flew right past it.
we hope this might reach a dispositive resolution on the 28th. That's why I think it's better to do it on the 28th.
Honeymoon?
Brother.
Oh, that's all right. Let's preliminary examination will be set April 28, 2026 at 9 a.m. before me.
Thank you.
And did you want to ask to go on that now, or?
Yes, I think it's only appropriate. He's not actually going to a very elaborate destination, but he wants to leave the state from May 6th to May 18.
Yes.
Well, now we got to know where he's going.
We're going to Florida May 6th for my wife's graduation from UCF, and then from Florida, Orlando.
Central Florida?
Yes.
I hate them. They're the Knights, don't they? Okay, go ahead.
And on the 10th of May, we will go to
Where?
Antigua, an island.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Really?
Oh, okay.
I just didn't hear.
So the 18th.
All right. I will. So the dates are,
May 6th to May 18th.
so I will just indicate that the defendant may travel out of the state of Michigan from December 6th through the 18th. Those include your travel days, sir?
Mhm.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're welcome.
You can go home. You can wait if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Court calls the case of first John Lenz.
I'm here, Your Honor.
I have before me two plea forms. One indicating that in the case ending in 943 that the defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated, the 93-day offense. And in the case ending in 161, defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated, second offense, the 1-year offense. That is and upon those are pleading as charged. So that's the court's understanding.
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
That's correct.
All right, let's have her sworn.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
State your name, please.
Hannah Kiesling?
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead no contest to two misdemeanor charges. First charge being operating while intoxicated as contained in the case ending in 943. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
You understand that?
Yes.
All right. And in the other matter that you'll be pleading to the charge of operating while intoxicated, second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right.
Sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, one of my hearing aids went out this morning, but if I put those on, it makes them squeal. So I'm doing the best I can.
All
Yeah,
right.
I'm good. I'm okay.
But you can hear what
I
I'm
can hear
saying?
you. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
On both of these cases, the court could order community service or any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Two things about a no contest plea that you need to understand. First thing is it first of all means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest these charges. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court's going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Basis for a no contest plea.
Lack of regulation, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, in case ending in 943, to the charge of operating while intoxicated, how do you plead?
No contest.
And in the case ending in 1661, to the charge of operating while intoxicated, second offense, how do you plead?
No contest.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Your Honor.
All right. You had signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Sign this.
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form. Bless you.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal upright.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything to get you to plead to these charges?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
All right. Court has been provided in the case ending in 943, Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 2410934. And in the other matter, I think that's right. No, I'm sorry. They got the fortune wrong. That report number is actually on the case ending in 1661. And in the case ending in 943, the court was given the report, the Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for the case number 2415737. Any objection to the court having reviewed those reports?
No, Judge.
Based upon a review of those reports, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these offenses. Counsel, well, ma'am, I do have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yeah.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other instructions which have led to this plea?
It's on the record, Judge.
Right? And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's pleas of no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated and operating while intoxicated second. Defendant is referred to Von Schwartz for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel. Sentencing in these matters will be
May 27th at 12 noon.
Do I have a sentencing date before that?
Sure.
That's a month and a half out. That doesn't make any sense to me, not the way I sentenced. I have the 13th, May 13th, 2026 at 9.
Thank you very much, Judge. The 13th.
Oh my.
Yes, they don't call me.
Bond will continue with its conditions.
Thank you, Judge.
So when you step back and look at everything, multiple no contest pleas, alcohol-related offenses, and delayed sentencing, it paints a bigger picture. These cases aren't just about what happened, they're about what happens next. Will rehabilitation actually work, or are we looking at a cycle that repeats itself? Let me know what you think, fair outcome or too lenient.